Good morning, students. Welcome to your English RC class. Dear students, hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Students, open book page number 42. Book page number 42. Students, firstly, we will revise yesterday's lesson, which is on book page number 42. First 5 lines. Let's revise. Is it for me? Says Tim. Is it for me? Says Tim. No, it is not, says Pam. Is it for me? Says Ben. No, it is not, says Pam. It is not for you. It is not for you. Now, kids, come to today's lesson. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Say Tim and Ben. It is for Mom, says Pam. Today is her birthday. Whose birthday is today? Today is Mom's birthday. Today is Mom's birthday, and whose gift is this? It's Mom's gift because today is her birthday. Is it a pen? Is it a pen? Says Ben. No, 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 says Pam. Ben says, is it a pen? No, 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 Pam says. Look, says Tim, here comes Mom. Kids, let's revise. What is it? What is it? Say Tim and Ben. What is it? What is it? Say Tim and Ben. It is for Mom, says Pam. It is for Mom, says Pam. Today is her birthday. Today is her birthday. Is it a pen? Is it a pen? Says Ben. No, no, no. No, 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 says Pam. Look, says Tim. Look, says Tim. Here comes Mom. Here comes Mom. Now, kids, it's your turn to read book page number 42. Allah Hafiz.